Hi everyone! Look what I found at Jasper Avenue. The e-scooter from the Lime company. It has black, green, and white color. It's so beautiful. One thing that I like from these e-scooters, they don't have a docking stations. The scooters are lock and unlock with a phone app. After agreeing to the rules, users can reserve a machine and pay for it by a credit card. It's so easy and simple. Hey everyone, thank you so much for clicking this video. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Let's see what you need to know about e-scooter in Edmonton. Hello. So I do have a question. Are you okay with this video? Okay. So my name is Dina.
Dina?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, so how this thing work?
How do they work?
Yeah.
You mean like how they operate?
No, what I mean like, because I know I read some. This one is like a e-scooter sharing kind of like, right?
Yes, you got. So wherever you pick them up, and then you rent them. You unlock them with your phone with the app. And then it's $1.15 to unlock them, and then 35 cents per minute after that. So basically, it just charges you per minute of when you use it, and then where you find it and where you drop it off. So you go where you need to go, and then drop it off. And then
so whenever, wherever.
Yes.
Oh wow.
So pretty neat.
So $1 what?
$1.15 to unlock it first when you find it, and then 35 cents per minute after that.
Oh, 35 cents.
Within 10 minutes, $3.50.
Okay.
That, right? I mean, you can go quite a ways with these. With 10 minutes, right?
I saw it like in downtown in 101 and Jasper Avenue was parking. In the morning. And then when I'm coming back in the afternoon, it's gone. Anywhere, everywhere.
Yeah, exactly. And people will just drop them off wherever they need to use it. So if you need to go from here all the way to the other end of Jasper Avenue, that's fine too. Oh wow.
I would like to try, but
the kids,
yeah, next time probably.
For sure.
Yeah, it looks fun though.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Wow. So and then this one and that one, it's a different company.
A different company, but the same idea.
Same idea. Okay. So when is the release? They release like.
They're released all over the place now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
When is it start? On Monday, isn't it?
They're 24/7. No. Oh, no, it's not. When do we start operating?
Oh, at 5 o'clock in the morning. So until 11 p.m.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Between 11 p.m. and 5 a.m. break time for the birds.
Wow. All over.
The birds need to sleep.
Yeah, you bet.
So you guys don't scare like if somebody's stealing it or something?
There's locators on these things.
GPS tracker.
We'll find them somehow.
Oh, wow. So this one is electric thing? So who's gonna charge it?
We take them, we charge them.
Oh, really? Oh, wow.
I think Lime's a bit different than that, but essentially the same.
Oh, wow. So do you know how much all over Edmonton like this scooter?
Maybe a little bit more. How many units do we have? I think 400 or 500 units.
Wow,
That's
awesome. Yeah, I'll try when.
Give them a try.
Yes, yeah.
Have you ridden a bike before?
Yes,
Okay, essentially the same. These are even easier.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
For help.
Take care.
Thank you. Yeah, you too. How do bird scooters work? To get started, download the app and enter your credit card information. Find a bird using the map feature. Bring a helmet and put it on. It's the law. Tap the unlock icon to choose your bird. Put one foot on the bird and use the other to give yourself a couple of pushes like a regular scooter or skateboard. When you're moving, push the throttle on the right handlebar. To slow down, use the brake on the left hand. Ride with both feet on the board. Use bike lanes whenever possible and stay off sidewalks. Park the scooter in a considerate spot like near a bike rack or out of the way of pedestrians or business entrances. Use the app to lock the bird. It will keep charging you money if you don't. After it's locked, you will be charged for the ride automatically. How much do bird scooter cost? So it costs $1.50 to start a ride and then 35 cents for each additional minute. So if you take 10-minute ride, it will cost you $3.50. Bird scooter rules. You must be 18 to ride. Only one rider per scooter. No children. Don't ride on sidewalk unless local laws require it or allow it. Ride in bike lines or close to the right-hand curb. Be considerate of pedestrians. They have a right to walk freely and safely. Avoid uneven surface like grass, inclines, pothole, etc. Wear a helmet. Order a free helmet if you need it with the app. Follow traffic rules and observe traffic signs. Use cautions at crosswalk and be mindful of pedestrians and vehicles. Park the bird either in designated bike or scooter parking or out of the way. Don't block walkways, driveways, fire hydrants, access ramps, or business entrances. Don't park the bird behind locked gates or inaccessible places. It could cost you as much as $120 or more if bird has to get it out. Make sure the kickstand is down and the bird is upright. So, what do you think, guys? Would you like to ride one? Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you on our next video. Bye!